Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the phenomenal LG OLED 4K Smart Television. LG, as we are all aware, is the pioneer of OLED TV technology and has the largest range of OLED TVs in India. LG OLED TV is also globally the most awarded TV and has many awards in its name. That being said, LG has equipped the television with some classy features from basic to really advanced ones. Based on that, it's one of the most sought after televisions in the market right now. Let's understand its features in detail one by one. OLED technology has always been an epitome of picture quality and sound. Taking a step further, OLED TV now meets artificial intelligence. AI is the new way to experience television. Now there is no need to manually control TV operations through complicated steps. You can simply talk to intuitively control your TV and search for your desired content. Moreover, this television has over 800 built-in commands that work without the internet. Let me demonstrate. Web browser. Further, this TV is powered by Alpha 9 intelligent processor, which enhances your TV viewing experience in 4 different ways. Number 1. The quad-step noise reduction removes grains in 4 steps. In turn, provides a clean and smooth image resolution. Number 2. Image enhancement functionality by doing object analysis enhances depth and sharpness. The delivered projection is clearer with all natural details. Number 3. It provides 7.3 times more accurate colors. And number 4, it delivers high frame rates of 120 frames per second, which is ideal for gaming and watching high-speed sports events. LG OLED TV also provides Dolby Cinematic experience in the convenience of your home. It comes powered with Dolby Atmos for the most realistic sound and Dolby Vision HDR for best picture quality. Dolby Atmos sound technology provides object-based sound and 360-degree surround sound that puts you right in the middle of the action. Let's hear it. LG's 4K Cinema HDR delivers filmmakers' vision by supporting most HDR formats like Dolby Vision, Advanced HDR by Technicolor, as well as HDR10 Pro and HLG Pro. Dolby Vision HDR, unlike other HDR formats, processes the entire content at once. Dolby Vision does scene-by-scene optimization and delivers the best HDR picture quality. Another interesting feature is the mobile connection overlay that lets you watch HDMI input and mobile screen share contents simultaneously. What's more, you can also control it through your Magic Remote. Let me demonstrate. The sleek and slim design blends beautifully with your home interior. LG OLED TV without several internal layers is 10 times more slimmer than any other LED TV. Both classic and minimalistic, it comes with the most evolved design available in the market. So friends, summing it all up, I think your painful search for a perfect entertainment companion ends with the LG OLED TV. It comes with an artificial intelligence, Alpha 9 intelligent processor, Dolby Atmos and 4K Cinema HDR, which together makes it hands down the best TV in this category. So go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.